I'm Caitlin Gipson, University Arborist at OSU, and we're here at Theta Pond on the Stillwater campus to talk to you a little bit about winter interest trees. The tree behind me is called an incense cedar. It's got its name from its aromatic green foliage, and it's native to coastal California. Think the Cascades, the Sierras, but does surprisingly well here in Oklahoma. The incense cedar prefers full sun to partial shade and prefers an area where its roots will stay relatively moist. Surprisingly, it holds up really well against Oklahoma wind and is very tolerant to deer and the urban setting. The incense cedar, in its perfect condition, will grow to be about 50 foot tall and about 50 foot wide. When it's young like this, it's going to have a more upright structure, but it's going to become more round as it matures. And it is a very slow growing tree. This one was planted in 2017 and has just now reached this height. It's far from its maturity, but it's a very, very beautiful tree and provides a lot of winter interest. Unfortunately, the incense cedar can be relatively hard to find in our local markets, so if this is of interest to you, I would suggest that you go online and cast a wider net through online nurseries to find and source this tree. Remember that it's going to be a great option for our Oklahoma landscape, and it's going to provide beautiful visual interest year-round, especially in the winter when a lot of other trees aren't providing this color.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.